Welcome. In this video I will show you how to run diagnostics on your Samsung LS34C500GAUXEN monitor. So first of all, we're gonna have to press the middle D-pad key beneath the monitor, then up arrow key to navigate to menu, and press middle D-pad key to select. Now you'll end up on the sidebar of the main menu. Use up and down arrow keys to navigate down to support option, and then press middle D-pad key to select, and then select the self-diagnosis option right here. After that, you're gonna have to press the middle D-pad key. You'll see your screen turning entirely green. During this time, you have to look for any possible damages or artifacts on your screen. So basically look at any spots on your screen that aren't entirely green, and if you notice such spots, then select yes using left arrow key and middle D-pad key, and you will be provided with the information on where you should turn to in order to resolve this issue, or maybe also the instructions to the guidelines on how to do that. If you didn't see no issue, then navigate to no, press middle D-pad key to select, and if you want to look at the screen again, select show again, and then take a look at your green screen once again, and then either choose yes or no. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.